Hello, in this video, we'll learn how to hide files on Redmi phones. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Passwords and Security. Then tap on Privacy Protection Password. You'll be asked to enter the password used to unlock hidden photos and videos. If you haven't changed it before, it's the same as your phone's lock screen password. Once you're in, select the Files option, then tap Use. Now, go to the location of the file you want to hide. Select the files you wish to hide. Tap the three dots at the bottom. A menu will appear. Choose Make Private. Tap Make Private again to confirm. The files have been moved to a separate hidden space and will no longer appear in the gallery. To view hidden files, go back to the Privacy Protection screen. Swipe down to refresh. Tap OK. Then enter your password. You'll see all the files you previously hid. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.